Hey everybody, we're going to do 1,893 divided by 4. As always, I recommend that you try it on your own and then use the video just to help guide you or to check your work or if you get stuck. I also recommend that you write out on a piece of paper or here in a text box, write out the multiples of 4. Okay. Step 1 is to divide, and normally we would do 1 divided by 4. But you can't do that, so we're going to do 18 divided by 4. That's as far as you can go. 4 times. 4 times 4 is 16. And then subtract. Go ahead and try the next couple steps on your own. Bringing down the 9. How many 4s can fit into 29 without going over? You can get all the way to 28. How many 4s is that? 7. Multiply back down. 7 times 4 is 28. And then subtract 29 minus 28. Bring down the 3. Almost finished. How many 4s fit into 13? 3 4s fit into 13. 1, 2, 3. 3 times 4 is 12. And then we subtract and we have a remainder of 1. That means you can do 4 times 473 plus 1 will equal 1,893. So if you're working on your long division, keep going. If you already did all of these, all 30 of these, that's awesome. Look in the description because I actually have another playlist you can do that has 36 more questions. And you can just, grab a whiteboard and just practice along with it. You don't even need the slideshow, but you can also get that slideshow too. But I hope that this has been helpful for you and that you're able to learn a lot of long division. Just keep practicing and keep going, and make sure you check out my other playlists if you want to learn area model, rounding, fractions, and tons of other things.